already a Rust-Oleum metallic finish in copper. And now I'm trying to build the base. I picked up 2 DollarTree foam pieces, which I will probably cut into a bow and a stern to bring this out more into a boat. And this is my first time, so as I go along, I'm going to take my time, and it might end up being something that I start and then I don't finish till tomorrow, because this is Saturday and it's getting late. So once again, you might see the date change in this video. So stay tuned. The supplies will be listed in the description box, and you can find me on Facebook at Legacy's Little Luxuries Arts and Crafts YouTube Facebook page. You can always send me a message or ask a question or just say hi. You can also follow me on Pinterest, Legacy's Little Luxuries, but I'm under the board Jonesy's Home Sweet Home. That's where I post a lot of my DIYs, is under that board. Alright, let's begin with this cute little Father's Day boat centerpiece. So here I am up to the front of the boat. I have used various different flowers from Dollar Tree. I will list what I've used in the description box later on. Miss Legacy's here. She's watching me make this, and she's saying that it's starting to look like a boat. It's taken a while. We're going to take some dinner time and we'll get at it later.
Yeah, she's just at the beginning, at the bottom, but you still have to do the sails.
I have a lot more to do. It's like a 2-day project.
Or 3.
Yeah, because I had to spray paint the bottom already and had to wait for that to dry for 24 hours. That's not the color that came in. I spray painted it. Copper. So, yep. Okay. Well, here I am with my boat, finished up with the florals, I think, and I'm going to take these sponges, stretch them out. It's going to go on the bottom of the boat, and then maybe right here too, I'm not sure yet. I'm using these copper scrubby pads for a lot of decorations this spring, and I think I'm going to use it for this boat. And I still have not figured out how to make sails yet, if I'm going to make the sails in paper, because I do have brown coffee cup filters I could use, but I'm thinking, since this is really more florals, to get just some florals that'll be a tall, medium, and small, and then kind of connect them together to the bow. Well, we'll see. Right, Leg?
Yeah.
So right now I'm stretching this out. I have to stretch out this one and then connect it together in the bottom of the boat. And a little bit of sparkly seaweed sticking out. This is from Dollar Tree. Everything's from Dollar Tree so far. Alright, let's continue with the slideshow. So I used the leftover stems, wrapped them with twine to create the tall masts. What do you think? And then just connected them together. And then of course it's tied off right here at the wheel. So I think I'm gonna create something up here. And I don't know if I'm gonna write letters on this or not. I kind of like it just like this without the masts and the sails. I don't know, I might make sails. Let's continue. Well, hello everyone. This is the next day. So total project day has been 3, but I am adding all the details today, and I had to find the Dollar Tree toothpicks that I picked up. I had to dig through my crafts hauls, and I finally found them. And I did already paint up a while back some of the letters. So the letters are going on here. This is going to go to Legacy's grandfather for Father's Day. Plus I found this cute little mermaid brush. I think I'm going to remove the bristles and then paint this in the color that's going to be geared towards the ship, which is probably copper. And here we are. This is what we have so far. I want to put the toothpicks here to create like a little gateway in case, you know, to visualize somebody is steering this boat, but they're not going to fall off the back. And we're going to place a name on it. I added a couple little coffee filter flags last night, and then just wired some of the copper left from the Brillo pad just so that it can highlight this entire piece. I was going to make sails, but then I don't want to overdo this project. Plus it's all Dollar Tree, and I want someone else to come along and learn to make a boat centerpiece. So I'm trying to make it simple, affordable, and everything you can get at the Dollar Tree or at your house. Okay, so we're going to finish up the back. We have placed inside the boat. I did it in pale greens and off-whites. And we used zinnias. We used, more zinnias. And we used greenery bouquet. That's these right here. And we used, more greenery bouquet. So I got about 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have hydrengias. What are those called? Hydrengias. Anyways, we have those. So there's 2 bushes of them, and then these little white styrofoam balls. But mostly you did it with the zinnias. And up here in the stern. And then I used, say hi everybody.
Hi.
Miss Legacy's here this morning. And then I took the stems from the bushes, and then I just added twine around them to make these poles. Now I was looking for my tea light candles, and I wanted the tiny little tin that comes with the tea light and place it up here. And what it would become is a lookout. You know, and then I would build a little teeny ladder going up, and it'd be a lookout tower. However, I cannot find those little tea light containers. So, if I do and you see a photo later, then you know that I found them. But till then, we do not have a lookout tower. But we are going to add a name. We're going to add an anchor. We might throw a mermaid in there somehow. And it'll be ready for Father's Day when the time comes, right? Mm-hmm. If I don't make a second one, I like this so much, I might make one for me. Right?
Yeah.
But we always craft for other people, don't we?
Yeah.
What are you drawing?
Game of Thrones.
Game of Thrones?
The Iron Throne. This is the room.
Oh, it's the room in the Iron Throne? Like in the castle?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's awesome. You know, that iron throne's very hard to draw.
I know. That's a bunch of swords.
Do you have a craft to show everybody that for your dad for Father's Day?
Oh, yes.
Oh, it's the Dollar Tree anchor and the magnet and the word dad. And that magnet, you could put a little key on it, right?
Mm-hmm.
That will represent that he holds the key to your heart, right? Wow, it's neat. Turn it around so they can see the back. A little hook in the back. A couple pieces of jenga blocks so that when it's up against the wall, it doesn't scratch the wall, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's continue with our ship, and you'll see the final results in a little while. Well, Miss Legacy told me she wanted a lookout tower on this one, so we used a container from the tea light, wrapped it with twine, and now I'm gluing it into the top of this first pole. And I don't know if I'll put little pieces across to make it emulate a ladder, because you have to climb up to here to be at the lookout. But we'll see. See, Legacy, do you like it? Legacy, you like the lookout tower?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let's continue. We're almost finished.